guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to try and create some of the eye makeup looks which is currently trending on Instagram. And yeah, I can post like a few pictures here and I'm going to try and create the similar looks. Maybe I'll do 2 or maybe 3. So if you want to know what looks are those, then please continue watching. Also, this is going to be a voiceover video, so I hope that you have fun. So the first look is going to be different eyeshadow look. So I'm going to take my Nikake New York palette. These are the matte shades, and out of that I'm going to pick the baby pink one and the blue one. So basically my one eyelid is going to be pink and the other one is going to be blue. So as you can see, the pink one and the blue one. So I'm going to take these two colors. Now to prime my eyes, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal HD because concealer is always necessary to be applied on your eyelid before you apply any sort of eyeshadow, because if they're matte and pigmented they won't sit on your like eyelids. So I'm going to blend it out with my little beauty blender. Now I've took this pink eyeshadow on my pack brush and I've started applying it. So on the right side I'm going to apply pink and on the left I'm going to apply blue. With the help of my concealers and I just need like a flat end to brush it off. So since we didn't have much electricity, so I did my blue offline, off camera. So now for my lower lash line I'm going to use the alternate shade. So for the pink eye I'm going to use the blue one for the lower lash, and for the blue I'm going to use the pink one for the lower lash. Now I'm going to take my Nykaa Get Inked black eyeliner and I'm going to apply it. Now I'm going to take this a pack of kumkum. These are like water soluble. So now with the help of that I'm going to create small hearts on my eyelids. So on the pink I'm going to use the black and on the blue I'm going to use the white. So again I'm using alternate shades, letting it dry, and now I'm going to use the white one on the blue. Well, it was very tough to make because I could hardly even see what I'm making. Now I'm curling my lashes with my curling wand and I'm going to apply my Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. So guys, this is how the eyes look, the alternate ones, since it was pretty trending and the picture that I saw was quite different, but I think I could manage doing hearts on my eyelids, so I did that. So now look number 2. So for this I already did my wing liner off camera because this is like a very simple look, okay? So you just have to make your wing liner. You can use any eyeliner color. I used blue, which is a dark navy blue. I made wings because I suck at making wings on camera, so I already did it off camera. Now I'm going to take this red eyeshadow from my same Nikake New York palette and I'm going to take this spongy brush and with the help of this brush I'm going to start applying the red shadow on my lower lash line, but I'm only going to apply it to the half lower lash line. I'm not going to completely apply it on my full lower lash line. As you can see, just the half part of it, and then I'm going to curl my lashes again, and that's it. There you go. This is the most simplest and the most chic eye look. Look number 3 is again the most simplest, but you can do it at any occasion you want. So what I'm gonna do is again take my same Nikaki New York palette. Since this is a one palette challenge, like you have to create as much as looks you can create with one eyeshadow palette. So I'm taking the same palette and I took this black eyeshadow. Again I'm going to apply it with the spongy brush because it gives less fall, and then I'm going to take this purple shadow and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. So what I have to do is the black one on the upper eyelid and any color you can take for your lower lash line. So it's that simple. You just have to apply it, blend it nicely, make sure that it looks smoky and hot, and that's it. This is one of the smoky eye looks, but usually we did like same colors on the upper and the lower lash line, but this time it's like a different shade on your upper eyelid and the different shade on your lower lash line. Again I'm going to apply my same Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara because it actually makes my lash look really big and thick, and so that is it. That's the final result. It looks really cat eye, it looks really cool, party vibes. So guys, these were the 3 looks that I tried creating with my one eyeshadow palette, and I hope that you guys liked this video. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.